All right. It's been a minute, but we're back at it. Um, Gonna try to get back into this with group anagrams. These problems are like a muscle, and you gotta like routinely keep them up. It's better to do one problem a day than 50 problems in one day. You're not gonna learn as much. You got to keep that mindset going. So let's see if I can get back in shape today. Given an array of strings, I never know how to pronounce these abbreviated ones. Group the anagrams together. You can return the anagrams. You can return the answer in any order. So if we have the input strings eat, tea, tan, ate, gnat, and bat, we can rearrange gnat and tan to be the same letters. And these are all anagrams, so you group them all together. Honestly, it feels like cheating to use Python for this problem. Because you're going to see Python's going to make this almost too easy with the way that the data is stored in dictionaries, and the way that we can check to find an anagram. What we're going to do is we're going to make a dictionary of all of the anagrams so far, and we'll just sort each word alphabetically to find a match. Because, that way, if you have two anagrams but you sort the letters alphabetically, they'll just be the same strings. And the dictionary will give us an easy time because it's it's a big O of 1 to access it, to check to see you have to check to see if it already exists so far. And on top of that, we can use the dictionary to basically store the sorted version as the key, and then the list of anagrams that we found as the values. So, to go over it, we're going to make dictionary key is the alphabetically sorted string. The value for that key is the list of anagrams for that. So yeah, this is a medium problem. It's an easy problem with Python. It's definitely more of a medium problem in terms of making it work fast. Because, you're making a lot of comparisons and you're checking to see if you've already found it, and that can quickly turn it, kind of quickly become redundant. But yeah, so we're just going to accumulate these alphabetically sorted keys, associate them with the value of the list of anagrams that we found so far. So we're going to go through that's a keyword, so we got to do for s in strings. All right. Go through all strings. All right. First, we're going to sort each string alphabetically so that we ensure that's an easy way to check for an anagram. So we're going to make, that's also a keyword. You want to know why that is a keyword, and we're going to use it. So we're going to say sorted s equals sorted s. All right? But this actually will give us, I believe this should return an array, not a string. It's going to give us an array of all the letters in the string sorted alphabetically by default. So we need to join those back together. So we're going to use the join keyword to do so. And join also requires you to, give it an initial string to join it to. So we just give it an empty string. as filler. All right, so now we're going to check to see if that's already in the dictionary. If it is, then we just add it to the existing list. And if it isn't, then we make a new entry. So we're going to say if sorted S not in anagram groups. Oh, wait, no, we didn't make the, we need to actually make the dictionary. Call that, yeah, anagram groups. Well, anagram groups. Okay, if it's not in there, then we're going to make a new entry, with the key being the sorted value. So if it's in there, we can just do that. Now we could, if we wanted to, put S in there to start, and then do an else statement where we would add it. That's one option. That's one option. Would that be faster? I really think it's negligible. The other option is we can make it be an empty array and then append it regardless. I hope you follow along with me there. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, okay, so we have the word cab. So we sort it, it's ABC. So now all anagrams of cab will be sorted to ABC. So we say, okay, do we have any ABCs? Yes. Then we add cab to that list. If we don't have any ABCs, then we say, okay, well then make a new list for the ABCs and then add cab. So those were the two ways that we could do that, by either immediately saying, okay, make a list starting with cab, or make a list and then add cab. So this happens whether it's there or not. Or no, whether it's, yeah. This happens regardless of the condition. You append it and you make a new list if it wasn't there beforehand. All right, cool. The last thing we gotta do is just return that. So we're just gonna get the values of the dictionary. Use the values keyword for that. And then this, I believe we might need to put it into... Oh, that works. Awesome. Yeah, oh yeah, because we don't need to sort it or anything. Yeah, we'll run that. Submit it. Work, please. Awesome. Wow, really good time. Magic of Python. So, yeah, that's a medium problem that really should be an easy problem provided you do it in Python. Just to go through it one last time, we're making a dictionary where the key is the sorted string alphabetically, because all anagrams sorted alphabetically will be the same. We go through all those. We check to see if that sorted string is in there. If it's not, then we make a new list, a new empty list, and then afterwards we add the unsorted string to the array for one of the anagrams for that set of letters. And then we just return the values, which is that list of lists. All right, that's it. Thank you very much.